Hello to all of you friends. Today we will install PokerChips 45 with you. Before proceeding with the installation, you can visit our website from the link I have shown above and examine our other products. You can contact us via our website for your defective or broken parts. First of all, let's get to know our parts. 1 main table. 2 short vertical parts. 5 pieces with horizontal long holes. 1 piece without horizontal long holes. We place our main table with the nail holes upwards. Then we start to place our short vertical piece as shown. After the assembly of our short parts is finished, we proceed to the assembly of our long parts. We place our long horizontal parts as shown. The assembly of our product is completed. Feel free to contact us for any questions and needs. Use it on good days.